To fix if you can't hear Android calls, start by checking the volume settings on your device. Ensure the volume is turned up and not muted. You can do this by pressing the volume buttons on the side of your phone and checking the volume level on the screen. Next, check the call settings on your device. Go to the phone app and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings and then check if the call volume is turned up. Also check if the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. If it is, disable it to see if it resolves the issue. If the problem persists, check your headphones or earpiece. If you are using a headset or earpiece, try removing it and making a call to see if you can hear the caller. Also check the earpiece for any blockages such as dust or debris. Another possible cause of the issue is a software glitch. Try restarting your device to see if it resolves the issue. Press and hold the power button until your device turns off, then press and hold it again to turn it back on. Additionally, check for any firmware updates for your device. Go to the Settings app and select About Phone. Then select System Update and check for any available updates. Install any available updates to see if it resolves the issue. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be a hardware problem. Check the speaker on your device for any blockages or damage. If the speaker is damaged, you may need to take your device to a repair shop to have it fixed. Finally, if you have tried all the above steps and the issue still persists, it may be a problem with your network or carrier. Contact your carrier to see if there are any outages or issues in your area. They may be able to assist you in resolving the issue.